as requested by fifth period. We got some beautiful microscopes in this big box here, and fifth period requested a little unboxing. So thank you to our PTA for hooking the science department up with some awesome new microscopes. And we're going to do a little unboxing of one of them here because that's what the people want. And so that's what the people are going to get. So here we got a nice giant box. Open it up a little bit. Stand up because it's kind of big. And here we go. Nice cardboard box that the styrofoam came in. And here we go. Got a lovely lovely microscope here. We'll leave the other one for later. But here's our sweet microscope box. Here's a nice manual here. So you can just, take this out of the plastic in a second. Well executed with the styrofoam wrapping. Very secure. We'll make sure we keep them nice and safe so they don't get injured. So here's our manual. Super important. And we're going to keep going with the styrofoam. I'm just cutting around the edges here. It's in the middle of seventh period, coming to you live in this unboxing video. I'm going to do a nice little cutting the styrofoam, being super careful to not drop it on the floor. That would be bad. That would be bad. So it looks like we got it all cleaned it up, cut out. Oh, yep, there we go. Nope, forgot a side. Love that. All right, so here we are. Take our styrofoam off. You can see we got our microscope there in the styrofoam box. Protective cover. Got 3 little vials. These are super cool because you can keep the magnifiers in there. And then here, got a nice plastic wrap on our microscope here. And all important charger. So get this other styrofoam out of the way. Here's our charger for our microscope. Probably want to make sure that's in a nice, safe place. Take the old packaging off. Here we have our different magnifiers and our eyepiece up here. Nice arm. Stage looks beautiful. Silica gel, very important. And got our light source on the bottom. These are super cool microscopes. They're LEDs, so you can turn them on. They're wireless as well, so you can charge them, take them to station. Make sure it's super safe. We're holding it by the arm. And you can use the eyepiece to do some great magnification and just look at all the awesome stuff we're going to look at in science this year. So it's an awesome microscope. Thank you for our PTA for picking up a few of them for our science department. And that is Turner's microscope unboxing. Thanks. As always, like and subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.